As session nearly wrapped up last week, lawmakers passed a controversial bill that would move certain local elections to even years.
This is in New York State, and tonight our Erie News Now state capitol correspondent Elise Klein breaks down this legislation and finds how lawmakers view this impacting future elections.
Certain local elections used to run on odd-numbered years. This year, New York State lawmakers passed a bill to change this. Senator James Skoufis, a sponsor of the bill, states this legislation will increase voter turnout. This legislation would move certain local elections, such as county executives, county legislators, and town board races, to even-numbered years. And this bill was heavily debated on the floor in the final hours of session, and some Republican lawmakers say this legislation creating a longer ballot could overwhelm voters.
Cramming all the other races into even years is going to be a disservice to the electoral process and the lack of knowledge of the candidates and the issues at the lower level of the voter going into the polls.
Some advocates say New Yorkers have various tools to help keep them informed and navigate ballots, such as nonpartisan voter guides, endorsement lists, and local media reporting. Ben Weinberg, Director of Public Policy at the Citizens Union, says aligning local elections to years of higher office elections will help increase voter turnout and bring the electorate closer to the demographics of the population.
And voters are informed not only by what they read in the press, but also by their life experience and by their background. And so the greater diversity of voters we have, just the greater diversity of those experiences that can shape the vote and our policies. And that's a good thing.
In Albany, Elise Klein, Erie News Now.